How to delete all videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So here is what you need to know. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once in there, tap on the profile icon appears at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. There you'll get to see all the photos or videos you have posted. Now once on your profile, so here as you can see I do not have any videos available, but if you do then you will get to see all your videos available here. Let's simply tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of the screen, then settings and privacy, then tap on the activity option available in there, and once you tap on the activity you can see manage video activity option available there. Tap on it and here you'll get to see all the videos you have posted. All the videos are in only me, so now select all the videos that you have posted on TikTok. It will all be shown here. Then tap on the next, then tap on the only me option available there and tap on the update option available there. Now all the videos you have posted publicly will be shown in only me, which is basically like deleting. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.